Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer documents into Microsoft Teams for project tracking step by step clearly. Open Microsoft Teams on your computer or device. Select the team you want to work with from the left sidebar. Click on the Files tab at the top of the channel. Here, you will see any existing files for that specific team. To upload a new document, look for the Upload button. Click on Upload and choose Files from the drop-down menu. Browse your computer for the document you want to transfer. Select the document and click Open to start the upload. Wait for the upload to complete. Once uploaded, the document will appear in the list of files. To create a new folder, click on the New button and select Folder. Name the folder and click Create. To move a file, select the document you want to relocate. Click on the Move option in the top menu. Choose the folder where you want to move the document. Click Move here to finalize the action. For easier project tracking, you can also pin important documents. Right-click on the file and select Pin to Top. This keeps it accessible for all team members. To share the document within your team, click on the document to open it. Use the Share button to invite other team members to view or edit. Type in their names or email addresses and add a message if needed. Click Send to share the document with your team. Finally, regularly check and update the document as the project progresses. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.